I just start all the way back to favourite song.
Yeah. If I could turn back time. I should have brought my guitar. My favourite film? Forrest Gump, I think. Scientist by Coldplay. Ooh, steak. Blue, please. No, I actually want to be a fireman. Coffee. Now we're getting to good questions. Turn back time. Night in. I speak every language. I press the blue button twice and then the red button. Both. I can't answer that. I've got a dog and I've got 2 cats. I'd probably say Barack Obama, Oscar Schindler, genuinely. Probably my mum and my wife. Oh, crap. I would choose to be 21. Because I think life is still ahead of you at the age of 21 and you've got an element of learned maturity at that stage. Jeez. Something that people don't know about me. I have been playing the guitar for 40 years.